Cool, bro. Come here. Come here. What's her name? Shin-chan.
Shi-chan.
Shi-chan. Shi-chan.
Shi-chan.
Shi-chan. Hello there. Hello.
What's on your hat? Is that a GoPro? What is this?
Oh.
Photo?
Yes, you are correct. This is a GoPro.
GoPro?
A GoPro.
What is it?
Are you familiar with GoPro? No.
She knows. It's like the camera that you can record stuff.
Yeah. You lived in America, huh?
No.
No, but your accent is very natural.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Where did you learn English?
I learned when I was a baby, so...
Okay. Yeah, so it is a GoPro, and if you go on YouTube and you just type in YouTube GoPro, you'll see many GoPro videos of people skiing and skydiving, and so they do a lot of extreme videos on a GoPro.
You can take
Now,
motion.
for me, I don't do any extreme videos, but I have put a couple of YouTube videos up.
Oh, you do?
And so I want to ask you, do you mind if I put you on YouTube? Is that okay?
Sure.
Oh, okay. I like to ask before I do such a thing. Okay, Shi-chan.
Shi-chan.
Shi-chan. Come here.
Shi-chan, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Shi-chan. Shi-chan, no commento.
Shi-chan. ちょっとギアやってみる？ギアやってみる？じゃあおいで。That had to do some tricks.
Okay, hold on.
High five.
Oh, wow.
Kunyong. Timang kunyong.
Shi-chan, you're going to be famous. Yes. And what is your name, ma'am?
Shi-chan.
No, your name?
My name is Yumi.
Yumi, and
My name is Marin.
Marin. So I'm thinking you are the mother and Yumi is the daughter.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, now you're friendly. Now you're friendly, huh? What happened? Okay.
You become the most famous Japanese Shih Tzu dog, Marin.
Yes. Yes, Shi-chan. Okay. Marin.
Are you
What?
from Los Angeles?
Yes, I am. How do you know?
Because the t-shirt.
Okay. Can you hold this camera on my shirt? Yes, I'm from Los Angeles, the Los Angeles Dodgers.
Yeah, I could easily.
The only baseball team that matters. Yes.
Yeah,
okay.
you love baseball.
No, but I love the Dodgers. I love the Dodgers because they're a very classy team. Yes. Okay. Hello, young man. Konnichiwa.
Ran away.
Oh, I'm so sorry, gentlemen. Okay. Anyway.
Business or?
No, actually, my friend lives here up the hill.
Oh, so you.
And I came here because I have no job.
Oh, are you looking for a job?
No.
No.
I quit a job recently in Afghanistan.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool place.
It is a very unpleasant location. And no, but I just got tired. 5 years in Afghanistan, it was time to quit. And so I have a 90-day visa, and I'm looking for other work right now.
Here?
Not necessarily here, but if I find something here, that's fine. But I would imagine that I'll head back to Afghanistan, maybe northern Afghanistan, or even Iraq. Yeah, there are people in Iraq. Despite what they say, there are people in Iraq, and I may head back there, or head there. So, but for now, the next week or so, yeah, I'm gonna relax and drink a whole lot of beer and meet random people at the park and put them on YouTube. Okay, so
you know that big shopping streets near the Hakuraku station, the nearby station.
Oh yeah, no,
that street is full of shops, so local.
Oh yes, and I have lived in Japan for many years before coming here.
Okay, so you know it.
Yeah, absolutely. I lived in a place called Chigasaki,
Chigasaki.
not far down the road.
Oh, you did.
And yes, absolutely. And one thing I must say that I've noticed since coming back to Japan, kutsu ga totemo akarui.
Akarui.
I mean, wow, look at these shoes. And look at those shoes and socks.
Yeah, show him your fabulous sock. And look at that sock.
Oh my goodness, what is going on here? Okay.
And my sock is stubby, you know.
Yeah,
Japanese stubby.
Right, exactly. But I've noticed this time more than before that the socks and the shoes are very,
Oh, really?
yes, are very bright. And so I think I need to use these glasses more often than before, because I could probably go blind. Okay, before I leave, let me say it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
Marin?
you.
No, Marin, give me a real shake. Or give me a fist bump. No, power, girl. Make a fist. Power. Okay. And Mademoiselle, thank you very much, okay? And Shi-chan. Shi-chan.
Bye-bye.
Shi-chan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, don't be frightened. Okay. Sayonara now. Okay.
Nice talking to you.
Likewise indeed. Jack! 名前はRicky? Hi there. Oh, now you're friendly? 何歳ですか
11年ぐらい。
おー、ちょっと古いね。はい、オールドマン。男の人？
男の子。
Oh, you like that? Oh.
リラックスしてる。
Oh. Okay, I got you on camera. Ricky-chan.
リッキーカメラで撮ってくれるって。リッキーこっちだよこっち。
Ricky-chan.
リッキー。
Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, Ricky, you're going crazy. You're going crazy here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Ricky say, thanks so much. Thank you.
Oh, ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。バイバイ、リキちゃん。